Yes, 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 oh yes, 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 Mr. Cuddy, yes, yes. Ah, whew. Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to practice your, go through your practice as if it's a powerful, necessary, important ritual. I'm here thinking particularly about a funeral, maybe attending a funeral, maybe the subject of the funeral, maybe officiating a funeral, maybe working at a funeral or driving past a funeral, whatever. And there's lots of different funerals. Some are quite loud and energetic and celebratory. Some are very morose. Some are very private. Some are very, etc. So, whatever you might think a funeral might be like, or a very important, necessary ritual of humanity and human life, I'd like to practice my form after that manner. So for me, that might make it just a little bit more serious, a little bit more traditional, a little bit more of a ritual than I'm ordinarily practicing. But I want to sort of access that part of the human condition, the human state, the human sort of necessary um, life stations, I guess, things that we all go through. And I want to kind of see what my form has to say about that, or what that has to say about my form, or how that lives with my form. So live long and prosper. And if you can't prosper, live long. And if you can't live long, live. Thank you.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.